this. I can't wait for when that comes in, her and be like, "What's this?" I say, "My auntie."
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm back with another phone case. So yeah, today you guys, I'm working with the iPhone 7 or 8 Plus. Today, as y'all can see the colors that I'm working with, I got some brown, some lime green, some forest green, and some cream up in there. I did have these pieces that was in this mixture, but I'm not putting it on that case. Obviously, I'm not putting it on this case, but it's here and it's gonna be there. Okay. Today I'll be going in with the E6000 glue. Oops, I'm out of E6000. I'll be going in with the Gorilla Glue. I'm going to use the rest of this E6000 glue. In my previous video, I was actually able to make a phone case, like a whole phone case, squeezing the rest of the glue out. So I'm going to get the remaining glue out because I know I got a little bit more up in there. Yep, see? I'm going to get the remaining glue out and then I'm going to go in with my Gorilla Glue. And then I have also my picking tool. And don't forget your face mask, you guys. So without further ado, let's get the blinging. Okay, you guys, so the case is finished. So I went ahead and I put some rhinestones around Gold Digger and I put some rhinestones like around Chanel. Y'all excuse my nails. Like I say, I need to go get my nails done. Okay, so time to pull back the plastic off of that one. Rhinestone. And I did not put my logo on this case, but it's okay though. It's okay, cause as long as y'all know. Okay, y'all see you guys, it's all finished and it's so pretty. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all turn on post notifications so y'all can be notified every time I upload another video, you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.